if this outfit and vibe were a song, unfortunately, it would probably be Old Town Road. So, I guess I failed for today. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Hannah Faith, and today I'm going to be talking about products that suck. I'm not trying to be negative, but I believe that you guys should be informed about what products not to waste your money on. These products may work for some of y'all, but for me, they just did not. So I have a bunch to get into today, but I just want to preface also that I have very sensitive skin, so some of these products might not work for me just because I do have such sensitive skin. And a lot of products that people go into the store and test out, they do not test out on their face. So whatever you do, don't just go into a store and swatch a product. Try it on your face. Take a sample, do whatever you need to do to really try the product, because a lot of products will swatch incredibly and not turn out looking very good on your face, or vice versa. So what I think you should do is try the product out, see how it settles onto your face, how it sets, and how it wears throughout the day. Otherwise, a swatch will not give you that information. Some things look incredible on the hand, but most of these makeup products aren't just to be worn on the hand. They're supposed to be worn on the face. They're supposed to look good all throughout the day. And these products just didn't meet the mark. So I have a lot to get into. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and comment down below of any videos you would like to see, any of these products. If they did or didn't work for you, come hang out with me. Follow me on Instagram at Hannah Faith Arch. I'm there a lot. So these products are in no particular order. I have a couple skincare products, a couple face products, eye products, lip products, and so on and so forth. First, I'm going to talk about the Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne by Laura Geller. This product was given to me as a gift from one of my friends, and it was in a Laura Geller gift set type thing, and I was really excited to try it because I love a luminous face, as y'all can tell, I'm sure, from the makeup I've worn in past videos and just kind of the vibe I like to give off with my makeup. And this product, I was expecting to look really dewy, luminous on the skin, a good base that would kind of shine through my foundation, and it looks really good when you just put a little bit on the skin, but when you start to rub it in, it completely disappears, turns into just like water. Like, it, what did I just put on my face? That's kind of how I felt with this. I was just so confused because it looks like I just didn't do anything, and what's the point of spending your money on something that just doesn't look like you put on absolutely anything? So if you are looking for a good luminous primer, definitely stick with something like the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, because this is so good. It leaves your skin looking glowy but not like an oil slick, and it definitely does not just disappear when you rub it into the skin. I love this stuff, and I wear it every single day. Another product I have by a line that I am absolutely obsessed with. I hate that I don't like this product. I got a baby size, thankfully. I didn't buy the full size of this, but it is the Milk Makeup. Oh shucks, it doesn't have a name on here, I believe, but I will put it down in the description box below. It is kind of like their balm primer, and they have the original matte one, and then they also came out with a luminous one that's newer. And of course, I buy anything that is marketed luminous, so I was really excited to try this. I'm obsessed with Milk Makeup, and I have such high standards for all of their products. So when I put this on, it just feels really gross on the skin. You can just feel it, and it's so sticky, and it doesn't minimize your pores. It does not give you a super luminous glow. It almost kind of mattifies things a little bit, but then has this weird sheerish glowy finish, but it's just funky. The main reason I don't like this is because of the way it feels on the skin. It just feels so greasy and slippery, and I just do not like this product at all. I've heard really good things about the mattifying version of this, but this just does not do anything for you or for your base. So don't buy this. It's not good. I'm sorry, Milk Makeup. I love y'all, but that just did not cut it. Another product that's just okay. It's not the worst product in the world, but it's also not the best. I've never been a fan of lash primers. I just don't always feel like they do a lot. I know there are some brands that have some that people enjoy. My mom always uses Lancome lash primer, so I was like, okay, I'll give this one a try. And this is the Lash Food Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer, and I was really excited to use this. I just wanted to give it a whirl, and I do not like this. I'm actually wearing it on one eye today because I wanted to give it one last shot before I put it in this video, which I did with a lot of these other products that I am telling y'all not to buy, because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give them another shot. And this just doesn't help build up your mascara or anything. I honestly liked the side better without this than the one with it. I also, when I take it off at night, I don't see that my lashes are more conditioned or anything like that. It's just another step that takes more time, and if it doesn't work, then why do it? So I just don't like this product. I won't be using it again. Another product that I have here is the Model Co. Eye Lights in the color St. Bart's. And I don't know if this is a bad one or what, but if all the colors are like this, I definitely would not recommend it. This is the strangest formula. I was so excited to use this. At first, it swatches pretty. It does swatch a bit patchy. But of course, like I said, I definitely believe you should put everything on your face instead of just swatching it. But once it starts drying down, it just gets a really weird sticky texture. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this on the eyes, put it on one coat, then not touch it, don't blink, just like close my eyes and let it dry. And when I let it dry, the finish, which is similar to a lot of the other products I'm gonna talk about today as well, the finish of this just dried down so strangely. Once it dried, it was flaky. It just made my eyes look super wrinkly, and that can happen with some metallic finishes on the lips, on the eyes. It was just not a good product. I didn't even get to the point where I wore this out at all because I put it on once. I was like, I'm never putting that on again. I hated the way it felt. It just, yeah. It was bad. Another product I'm really sad to put in this video is the, I hate saying this is a bad product because I actually really did like it originally. It is the Butter London Glazing Eye Gloss in the shade Icing. I have a few of these. They are beautiful colors, but they only last for about maybe 6 months because then they just dry out completely and are unusable. They're gorgeous. This one is pretty dry, but it's the only one that I could like sacrifice a little bit to show you guys a little swatch. Yeah, it's not even, it's this bottom one right here. It's not even swatching very well because it is so dried out. Even though you close these completely, it's just a jelly-like formula that just dries so quickly. And I didn't even use these too much, and so I can imagine if you do use these quite frequently, they can probably dry up within 1 to 2 months, or maybe 2 to 3. But I was really bummed by that because they just are so good and so beautiful. So you guys can decide whether this product is worth your money. It is beautiful, but if it's only gonna last like 4 months, it's just not worth it for me. And yeah, so I was quite bummed by that because I love these by Butter London. If you are looking for a similar product that just is so beautiful and is kind of creamy, easy to just like swipe on the eyes and go, the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Eyeshadow, I'm kind of embarrassed to say I think I've had this for like 2 years. I probably should throw it out, but just to show you guys, this, I keep this little thing that it came with on top, and then I take it off, and this, it's more of a cream than a jelly. It does not dry out like a lot of other cream shadows and things like that. It's almost like a creamed powder. This is the green one because I am a hoe for anything forest green. I don't know why, if it's because I'm from Portland, Oregon or what, but I love anything forest green. I think it just like matches my eyes and I just love the color of it. So it is so beautiful. It has not dried at all. Is the same exact finish as it was when I first bought it. I'm obsessed with these. Also, there's one in Amber Rush that I think like 3 years ago I saw on Pinterest and I was like, I have to buy this. It's so beautiful. So those are my 2 favorites from them, but those are amazing if you're looking for something cream. Another amazing one is the J.Cat Prismetal Chrome Eye Mousse. I forgot to mention these in my underrated product video, but this is one of my favorite products of all time in any brand ever. It's like $4 too, so cheap. There's a million colors, and the description is a prism metal eye mousse offers maximum metallic foil effect that creates a unique look. So this color is in Chrome Galaxy. This has not dried out. I think I've had this for about a year now. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it will pick up on camera. This one's a little more moussey than the Infallible one. So this does have a more similar texture to the Butter London one, but this is a heck of a lot more metallic. Do y'all see that? And it looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning on the eyes. Oh my gosh, this product is so good. It's so good. Like, I don't even have words to describe it because for the price point, and it's just so beautiful. It just has so much micro glitter in it, but it's not grainy. It has a beautiful soft texture, and it doesn't dry down in a weird patchy way, and it doesn't flake off throughout the night. I've worn this so many times. I believe I wore it in my last video. It's insane. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. So that's a really good option if you're looking for something like the Butter London that does not dry out. This product, I hate to talk about too. I hate being negative in general, but I just have to talk about this product. It's kind of pricey, so I was like, okay, you know what? I've heard people talk about these, and I actually have 2 here. This is the Milk Makeup Eye Pigment, and I have the colors Hotel Lobby and Gig. And okay, these products, maybe it's because I got the metallic ones, but these dry down so just like wrinkly and crinkly, and I don't know, they swatch beautifully though, so that's why I saw them in Sephora and I had them on my list forever. Finally got them on Cyber Monday. Oh my gosh, I have so many things on my hand right now, but I was so excited to use these, and they just dry down really patchy, flake off, just like that I liked as well. And so maybe the other colors that they have, like a matte color or something like that, or a satin, whoop, that's better. I don't know, but these are the 2 I have. They work out for a lot of people. I'm not sure if my eyes are just really wrinkly or have a lot of lines or what, but they just do not look good. They don't show up as metallic on the eyes, and they look beautifully swatched, so be warned. I just didn't like these. Let's see, one of my last eye products is the Mally Eye Color Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze. And like so many of the others, it swatches so softly. It's this beautiful brown color right here. And I love, it's just so easy, like everyday color that you can put on the eyes, put as an eyeliner or anything like that. It's like a little bit of a chubby stick. On the hand, it really blends out super nicely, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so beautiful. Well, I put it on the eyes and it just isn't as smooth on the eyes. Once you try to build up more than one layer, it does look patchy, and then it dries down immediately, so there is no time to waste, no wiggle room if you want to fix anything like that. And on the eyes, it had a bit of a different undertone than it does right here. It was more of a cool undertone, and this on the hand looks really warm. So I just didn't like it. Maybe part of it was the color, the finish. I don't know. I want something that's soft, something that looks gorgeous, doesn't flake off, doesn't budge, but also there's a little bit of time to kind of mess with it if you don't do something right. It just didn't work out for me. So that's a product that I think could work for some people, but definitely not for mature skin at all. Like if you're past the age of 25 even, I would not use that product. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.